Hey everybody, the first thing you want to do is download the files in the link below. And you need to really download this tank mockup. This is the main file, and the support file, which is the displacement file. They need to be in the same place. So over here in Photoshop, first up, we're going to double click this grid layer right here. Okay, this is where we want to paste our art layer. So I'm going to paste a piece of art with a transparent background and then scale this up, move it up all the way to the top here, maybe bump down just a little bit. And you can see I've got this a little over 10 inches wide using this grid. Hit return. I'm going to hide this art layer, and then when you close, you hit save and it'll show up on the shirt. If we want to recolor this shirt, jump down here to the color here layer and then click on the tint in the properties. This is going to allow us to pull around and dynamically see the color that we're pulling down here. Now if the color that you want to put right here doesn't quite match, go ahead and hit OK. Then we're going down to the lighten and darken layer where we'll adjust this handler on the histogram, and this will allow us to lighten or darken the shirt. If you need to add a heathering effect, just click on this layer here, and down here, the first layer, you can add your own background. And then just flatten this or save this as a PNG or a JPEG. And that's it. Thanks and peace out, everybody.